Hello, we're here in Jeju, and we're just warming up the griddle now. We're going to have black pork, black pig. It's an island delicacy, and I guess it's tradition here. They've had this species of pig for years and years, generations, and yeah, should be really good. We have our side dishes, and we got bean sprouts over here with some chili on them, and kimchi. Okay, not sure what this is. Radish and onion and seaweed, I think.
Yeah, some kind of thing.
And over here we have different leaves that you roll the pig, and you're supposed to stuff it in all at once.
Okay, we're cooking the meat now. This little pan is kind of cool because it's on an angle, so that all the fat drips off into the little basin down there. It's really cool.
She's flipping the pork belly, and on the far side is the bulgogi. Down on my left here is mushroom and garlic, and we're just letting the fat soak down into the mushroom. So Karen's just cutting up the pork belly. Sizzling nicely on the griddle here. And the bulgogi is finished. I put mine on my plate. The mushrooms look like they're just about finished as well. Yeah, it is off.
It's just really...
Yeah, it's really hot. So Karen, do you want to make yourself a wrap?
I will. Okay, yeah, here we go.
So you take some of the bulgogi and put it in the lettuce.
I don't want to make it too big.
Yeah, and be careful it's not too hot.
Okay.
And then you put some side dishes on. Karen's putting on some onion. Woo!
You turned it off. It should be fine.
Yeah.
Guys, I can't reach it over here. There we go. Got it. Ah! This is not my business. My hand is totally wet, and so my chopsticks are slipping out of my hands. I'm actually better at chopsticks than this.
I don't believe you, Karen.
It's really sad. Will you put some...
A year in Asia? No. She hasn't mastered
This one
it.
is not getting garlic because I can't.
Okay, and then you wrap up the leaf, and you stick the whole thing in. There you go. And you chew. And that's the whole process right there. Is it good? Yes or no, Karen? Is it good?